Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today's video topic is if your headphone is not working, you connected your headphone but there is no sound. So in this video I will share some methods you can apply to fix this. So let's start with our first method. Click on Windows icon, then click on the search box and type control. Click on this control panel option. Now in the view by section, select small icons. After that, click on the sound option. You will get this kind of window. Now if your headphone is disabled like this, if your headphone is disabled from here, simply right click on it and enable your headphone. This is your first step. After that, right click on the headphone, then click on properties, and here in the labels tab you can increase your headphone volume. After that, click on this enhancement, and if you are getting low sound from your headphone, you can increase or boost your headphone sound. So to boost or increase your headphone sound, simply tick this option, loudness equalization. Tick this option, so this will increase your headphone volume. Then click on apply, then click on OK, then click on OK. Now move on to the next step. Right click on the speaker icon, then click on this option, open volume mixture. Now here in the volume section you will get this option, output device. Drag down, and if you have multiple options, select the different one and check. And after that, click on this option, reset. So this will reset your sound devices. Click on reset. That's it. Now restart your system and check. Now move on to the final step you can try. Check your audio services. So click on the Windows icon, click on search box and type service. Click on this services option. These are the Windows services you have. Now search for Windows audio service. This is the service we need, Windows audio. Right click on it, go to properties, click on properties. Now in the startup type, make sure the option is selected as automatic. Okay. And after that, make sure the service is running. Okay. If this service is stopped, click on start to run this service. Okay. Now after that, right click on this service, Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right click on it, go to properties, do the same thing. In the startup type, make sure the option is selected as automatic and run this service as well. Make sure the service is running. That's it. Now restart your system. So these are the three methods you can try to fix the headphone issue on Windows 11. This is all for the video. Thank you.